This is a walkthrough of how to add a custom item as a replacement item. Sometimes you may need to replace an item, but the replacement item may not be available in your store listing. In that case, you can replace an item with a custom item and a custom price. To replace an item, tap on Not Available. Next, see the search results for choosing the item. If you are not able to find an item in the search results, tap Cancel on search bar. Tap Unlisted Item on the bottom. A new dialog with custom item details would open. Please enter the appropriate quantity, brand, name, price in the store, etc. for the item. You can also add the picture of the item and barcode of the item by scanning it. You can also change the size, packaging. Please note, price is as per specified size, packaging. For example, EA, for each, or pound. Some examples of when you would need to use this feature. You may have to replace an item when you are picking a different brand than ordered by the customer. Or let's say a customer ordered organic tomatoes and you have regular tomatoes, etc. Once done, please tap on Add Item. This will replace the item. And that's it, you are done.